Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by narrowing your question into precise keywords and synonyms so searches return relevant articles. Once done, pick two databases, one broad and one subject-specific, to compare results. Make sure you have access through your institution or enable open access filters. Without access, you'll hit paywalls and waste time. Use basic Boolean operators and phrase searching immediately to shape results. This early precision saves hours later, so invest a few minutes crafting search terms and opening the right database. You now refine searches using and or not quotes for exact phrases and truncation to capture variance. This reduces noise. Next, apply filters like date range, peer-reviewed status, and article type to focus on high-quality, current work. As results appear, scan titles and abstracts quickly. Select about 10 to 20 promising articles to read in more depth. Make sure to save or export citation records now so you can revisit them. Also note recurring authors and journals to guide further targeted searches. You finish by obtaining full texts and organizing them. Download PDFs, export citations into a manager, and annotate as you read to capture points and methods. Evaluate each article's methodology and sample to ensure relevance and quality. Make quick notes on why you included or excluded a paper. Once organized, build a citation list for your work. If you can't access a full text, try interlibrary loan, contact the author politely for a copy, or search preprint and institutional repositories as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.